Time traveler is a person who can just jump across different moments. He can jump across different times, just like we can go and visit different places. Hanji, third bench girl, yellow t-shirt, please come forward. I would really like to hear what you want to say. Hanji, bache.
Ma'am, a time traveler is a person who travels in time from present to past or future.
Absolutely, absolutely. Don't we all feel like sometime, we all should have that ability that we can travel across the time if we want to go back and enjoy our past. Just a second, please. Our past days or future. Okay, anybody from Euclides? Can you please tell me why do we call gift as a present or present as a gift? Anybody from Euclides? Euclides? Please come forward and tell me the correct pronunciation also for your section. Central line, first girl. Please come forward. Central line, first girl wearing specs. Please come forward. Hanji bache. Okay. Can you hear me, Euclides? Can you hear me? Am I audible? Please raise your hand if I'm okay. Hanji bache, please come forward and tell me like why do we call present as a gift?
Please take the camera control of BG.
Just a second, bache. Okay. So I was asking you why is present a gift? Anybody from Euler, please come forward. Anybody from Euler? Let's not waste time, but jaldi se we still have to finish our worksheet also. It is present is called gift because it is such a precious moment, right? It is right now. That's why it is called gift. You can do anything right now. You can even correct your past mistakes or you can plan for your future. So whatever you have is right now. That's why it is called a gift. Okay. Now, this is a sentence about Henry. Here, Henry is a time traveler. Anybody from AB section, please come forward and tell me what should be the word that we should fill in this blank. What should be the correct form of verb? AB section, central line. Okay. The boy who has raised his hand, please come forward. Hanji. Henry dash through time without warning, and the word is travel. What would be the right form?
Travels.
Travels. That's right. What is travels? What form is it? Is it simple present, simple past, simple future, or otherwise? Which tense is this?
Simple present.
Absolutely, simple present. Now, bache, whenever we are making sentences, one is we are speaking English for a situation, for a condition. When we are given a condition or a scenario, depending on the different situations, we use different tenses. Okay. Sometimes in some lines, if the situation is a little different, there can be different tenses. So it's not like always one single particular tense is right. It can be different again, depending on your story. Okay. So, who will come from Brahmagupta to tell me he dashed through time since childhood? What should come here? The word you can use is jump, jumps. Hanji, Brahmagupta, anyone please come forward. He dashed through time since childhood. So he was a time traveler, Henry, right? So he is just jumping from 1998 to 2024 and so many other years also. Okay. So Brahmagupta, corner boy, near the curtain side. Please come forward and tell me what can we fill here. He dashed through time since childhood. And the verb you can use here is jumps. All right. AB, first girl in yellow t-shirt, please come forward. There is just one central line in AB, one first girl. Hanji bache. He jumping through time.
Has
Any
been
help? Please speak again.
has been jumping.
Absolutely. He has been jumping through time since childhood. Now, just imagine if we do not use proper tenses, would a time traveler ever be able to, tell us his story properly? No. So, tenses are very important. Now, from Euler, central line, last girl in green t-shirt, please come forward. Henry dashed the same day many times. And the verb here you can use is visit. Hanji.
That related.
Henry. Hanji. If you want to say kind of, a habitual kind of thing, then you can say Henry visited the same day many times. Otherwise, here you can even use that Henry has visited the same day many times because he's a time traveler. So see, you can go back. Thank you. So see, to tell the action about the action on the timeline, we always need to use the proper forms of verbs, that is proper tenses. Okay, anybody from Euclides, can you please come forward? First bench, blue t-shirt girl in specs, central line. Please come forward, bache. Now this thing is happening right now. It's an ongoing process. So right now, Henry Dash in front of his class. What would come here? What should come here?
Mom disappears.
Right now. It's happening. It's ongoing right now. Like, what am I doing right now? I'm teaching. You are listening. Henry is disappearing right now in front of his class. Okay. So, whenever there is an ongoing process, the action is happening right now, that is when we use the continuous tense. Now, from AB, window side seat, yellow t-shirt boy, I think it's third last bench. Yellow t-shirt and red t-shirt are sitting together. Yellow t-shirt, please come out. Boy with the yellow t-shirt. At midnight, dash in a forest from the past. You can what walked? At midnight, he walked in a forest through the past. Right. Or if we want to convert this into continuous one, you can go back, bache. If we want to convert this into continuous one, it will be at midnight, he was walking in the forest. So we can say that if language is a story, that tenses are the time machine and the verb is the time traveler, because verb tells us in which time we are speaking. The event that we are talking about, what is the timeline of that event? Was that in past, or is it going to be in future or in present? Now, why do we need tenses? First of all, obviously, it tells us about the time of the event. It gives us the clarity and precision of the event, right? And it forms a good structure of the sentence. It helps to form proper structure of the sentence. When we say present, it is happening now, or general truth, or any, habits, you can say, whatever is generally happening. Past is already happened. Future, yet to come. Continuous is always in action. He's walking, he's writing, he's jumping. Perfect is, it comes from the verb perfectus, that is already happened, already completed, it's already done. And then is perfect continuous. In this, usually we get the duration of the time. Okay. Now, this is a timeline starting from past, then present, and then future. When we are talking about simple past, simple present, or simple future, there are no particular event, or we are not saying ki this happened before this or this happened after this. These are just generic. She played. She just played. I'm not saying she played before lunch. I'm not saying she played after this. Nothing. Just simple events. She played, present will be she plays, and then future will be she will play. Now, for other tenses, they are always mostly, there is a foundation of another event. And that is how we say which tenses should be used there. For example, in past continuous, there is a specific time, and then we say continuous is anyway, I think, the simplest one. Here you just have to tell about the continuous process. So see, this is a continuation process, an action that was ongoing at a specific time in past. It was already ongoing. It is happening right now, and it will happen. It will be ongoing in future. Now, when we talk about past perfect, that is completion of the work. There are events. This is action completed before another event. This is action completed at this specific moment, and this one is action completed before a certain time in future. Okay, and for past perfect continuous, now there are events, and these actions have been started in past and still they continue till a past event. Here they continue till a present event, and here they will continue to a certain period of time in future. Now please take out your worksheets. All right. So Euclid's central line, girl in red t-shirt, central line, please come forward, bache. Can you please read the first sentence for us and tell us what is the right tense that should be used here? Red t-shirt, central line, Euclides, please come forward.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hanji.
Ma'am, please give a camera control to Brahmgupta, please. Thank you.
Okay. Hanji, Euclides, please tell us.
By the time finally reach a international number and their indicators by the time finally reach a international number that their indicators obvious changed and have changed.
Right. And what is the correct answer for this one? See, if you see, we are talking about a sentence in which we are saying there is an event, and what we are talking about, it has happened before the event. So this is what we are talking about. So this is what? Past perfect. It has already completed in past. So by the time the committee finally reached a decision, several members had changed their initial stance. Okay. Now let's do this quickly. Okay. Whosoever I call, please come forward. Fatavat say Archimedes, third bench, green t-shirt girl, please come forward. second sentence. Please bring your worksheet along with you. When you're reading a sentence, make those words like complete words, say it in a flow, and don't leave the last word very, open-endedly, like it happened, we did it. No, it happened, we did it. Okay? Hanji, bache. Second question, please. Please, you can just say with the answer.
B option had arrived.
Hanji. Can you please repeat, just say the full sentence with the answer, bache. Don't just give me the option.
If she had arrived earlier, she would have witnessed the entire sequence of events.
Absolutely. Good. You can go back. So now here you can see that there is an unreal, past condition that we have applied here, that if she had arrived, then this would have happened. So again, there we are talking about the event before an event. This event is already completed before an event, so it is past perfect. Now, third one from Brahmagupta. Anybody from Brahmagupta, jaldi se please come forward and read the third sentence with the answer. Second bench, green boy, please come forward. Second bench, green t-shirt. Central line, Hanji, please come forward, bache. Third one. Third sentence. Please switch on your mic and then please tell us what is the correct answer. Read the whole sentence with the correct answer for third question. Quickly, bache, quickly. Already it is almost 1:45.
Caesar on his. Ma'am, B option. Ma'am, B option.
I told you this is not the right way to speak. Say the
Ma'am,
full sentence. Speak the full sentence with the right answer.
the
Third
research dash on his theory for over this decade before presenting it.
one.
Ma'am, B option.
Okay. All right, you can go back. Here, option C is the right option. Had been working. See, we are talking about now a continuous thing before an event. So the researcher had been working on this theory for over a decade before presenting it. Okay. Now, fourth question. Who will come? From Euler? Anybody from Euler? Please come forward. These worksheets were, already given to you. I believe you all have already solved it. Central line, last girl in green t-shirt. Please come forward, bache. Fourth question. Second last girl. Second last girl. Central line, Euler. Second last girl. कोई भी आ जाओ बच्चे. Whosoever wants to come, just please come forward because we are already running short of time. When worksheets are given to you, it is always, recommended that you all work a little bit on it, at least have your worksheet in your hands. Okay, you are just asking here and there for worksheets. Hanji, fourth question.
This time for we get the results of the experiment. Will
Hanji.
have analyzed.
Okay. Okay, you can go back, bache. This time tomorrow, we will have analyzed the results of the experiment. Now see, we are talking about this time tomorrow, so we know it's going to be future tense. But if you see this time tomorrow, so we are kind of talking about a continuous thing here. So it will be this time tomorrow, we will be analyzing. Okay, so this will be future continuous tense because by this time tomorrow, okay? Now, it is not by this time, it is this time tomorrow, so it will be future continuous. Now, fifth one, anybody from AB? Anybody from AB, please come forward. Fifth one, he dashed the proposal several times before realizing the hidden flaw. AB, fifth question, jaldi se aajo, please come forward. Now finish this worksheet at home. Okay, try to finish it. Otherwise, we'll be completing this in our next session. Okay. Fifth question, AB section. Please, bache, come forward. Anyone? Okay. Last bench boy in red t-shirt. Last bench boy in red t-shirt. Please come forward, bache. Fifth question. Hanji. Now see, we are talking about past, and we are talking about a past already completed event before an event, before a time. So what would it be? Past perfect. He dash Hanji up. Please speak the full sentence with the answer.
By the time the community finally reaches a decision, several members.
Were you listening to the full worksheet? We are on question 5th. You are reading question 1. Okay, fine. We will continue with this worksheet next time. And there is a little homework for you. You all have to write all these. These are 12 tenses for one sentence. That is, please write it down in your copies. I have my food daily. Write this down in your copies. This is your homework. Next time you have to come forward and tell me the 12 tenses for this sentence. I have my food daily. Okay? I have my food daily. This is your homework and try to finish your worksheet. Otherwise, we'll be doing this in the class next time. All right? Okay, students. Thank you so much for today. Next time, please come up with more energy and more answers. Okay? Thanks. Bye. Have a good day.